Welcome to the Crypto Boss Ninja channel. Let's look at Dogecoin. I am going to start posting more Dogecoin videos. The goal is to be the best creator on YouTube for posting Dogecoin videos. Kind of like what we did with Jasmine a while back, but that kind of died down. The hype died down on that, but I am going to keep posting them every so often. But Dogecoin, it seems to be the new one. So let's just kind of look at it. We just looked at the other day, but the weekly isn't a downtrend, so that's a good thing. The 3-day time frame right now is an uptrend. I really think this is an awesome sign for Dogecoin to get to the price level of about 25 cents. That is the measure move with this falling wedge. These break up 68% of the time. It looks like we're already getting the breakout. This is not confirmed. We don't know if it's going to hit that target, but I just think it's likely later in this bull run we at least take out the previous high, even though it's an inflationary coin. I've never loved holding it for that reason, but it looks like it wants to keep going up. The 2-day time frame also looks great to me, low on the stock RSI and well above the 200-day moving average, which is that thin yellow line down there. The thick yellow line is a smooth moving average, which I trade off of. And the daily, I don't like where the daily is at. The daily right now is overbought, but your previous high on the daily was up here, so this is a lower high on the daily. Now what you want to see on the daily is you want to see a higher low put in above 12 cents. If you can do that, technically it's an uptrend on the daily, but short term on the daily it looks bearish. So now you want to see if you can put a higher low in. If you put a lower low in, then obviously that's a bad sign. So right now I'm not saying buy it, but the 2-day and 3-day look really ready to me. The weekly looks okay to me. I don't love where the 12 hours, I don't love where the 8-hour is. And even the 6-hour looks bad. The 4-hour chart looks really bullish to me though, and this is a really good sign for a continuation to the upside because the 4-hour chart is going sideways and it's actually making a bull pennant while the RSI is in a downtrend. That's a very healthy sign for a upwards motion continuation to the upside. Right now, you would take your last local high, and the high of this short-term rally was 17 cents, and the low was basically down there at 12 cents. So again, obviously, you want to make a higher low above 12 cents. But if you continue here, and I would say this bull flag is, it's current and legit as long as you do not lose a level of 15.4 cents. If you lose 15.4 cents, then it's this bull pennant is negated, and then it's likely you come back down to 12 cents. But as long as Dogecoin holds 15.4, you could technically open up a long here with a stop at 15.2, 15 cents, and then you don't have a super tight stop loss to 15.4, and you're good. But I believe if you lose 15.4 convincingly, like you hit 15.2 or you hit 15 cents, it's likely going lower to 12. But if you stay above it, the measure move short term is 21 cents. The measure move long term is 25 cents. That's what I'm seeing on Dogecoin. I'm bullish on Dogecoin on the higher time frames and on the 4-hour chart, but the daily scares me a little bit. But if the 4-hour chart can push you up and pin the daily to the upside, that would be the best thing for the long-term holders of this coin. We'll see what happens, but that's what I'm looking at. I'll be live tomorrow at 11 p.m. Central Time. Until then, trade safe. Have a great week, or the rest of your weekend, which is almost over because it is almost midnight on Sunday night. So we'll see what happens, but I'll see you guys tomorrow for our next live stream.